Today, I'll show you an essential tool for your cooking. It's the TP-101 thermometer, which can be bought for less than 50 cents USD. It's enclosed in a see-through plastic tube. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please take a second to show some support by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single person, but if you've already done so, well, thank you very much. You are a star. Unboxing and full review of digital thermometer TP-101 can be opened from both sides. Some instructions are there on it. One side has a carry code. Let's open this and see what's inside. This manual has a description of each and every button's functionality. It has a metal probe about 15 centimeters long and a plastic head where the controls are. Make sure to keep the metal probe, especially the tip, clean, otherwise it will give inaccurate readings. There are 4 buttons beside the display: on-off button, centigrade, Celsius or Fahrenheit button. The temperature range is minus 50 Celsius to plus 300 Celsius, minus 58 Fahrenheit to 572 Fahrenheit. Temperature accuracy is plus or minus 1 degrees. Minimum maximum memory button. Temperature hold button. Current temperature is 86.7 Fahrenheit. By pressing on this button, you can change it to Celsius or centigrade. 30.3 Celsius. I'll do a simple testing with the water to show the usefulness of it. I've got 3 cups. This is with some ice cubes, icy water. This is at room temperature. And this is hot water. Let's test this and see how it works, how this thermometer works. It's at room temperature right now. Now in room temperature water, 27.6 Celsius. Put this in ice cup and temperature goes down. Temperature has gone down to 14.6 Celsius. Now climbing back to the room temperature. Let's put this in hot water and see what happens. And now the temperature is rising. Temperature has gone up to 40.6 centigrade. Press the hold button once to stop temperature from fluctuating. Press again to cancel. By pressing the hold button, you can freeze the display with the temperature that is shown at that particular moment. In other words, the hold button will hold the temperature that is displayed on the screen until the button is pressed again. So now I have cancelled the hold and it's going back to the room temperature. Maximum minimum button will alternate between the different temperatures. That is, for this scenario, cold temperature, room temperature and hot temperature. As you can see here, maximum temperature recorded was 43.2 Celsius. So minimum temperature was 19.8 Celsius. As you can see on the display, minimum and maximum is appear when this button is pressed to indicate the relevant temperature. (67.6 Fahrenheit). Room temperature is 84 Fahrenheit. 89.2 Fahrenheit, and the maximum was 109.7 Fahrenheit. This is how to change battery. Make sure the power is off. Then unscrew the back as I show here, like this, and you can see the battery here. It's a LR44 single cell battery. Put the new battery in and screw it back and you're all set to go. This is quite a handy tool to have it in the kitchen, especially if you are cooking things. Enjoy cooking and cuisine. With all that, guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Have a nice and a lovely day. See you next time. Bye.